Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this really nice small surveillance camera. That's the MUBVIEW Q5. You can see it. It's very small, but it can work inside, outside. It works with a passive infrared sensor. We have a very high resolution with 2K HD, and it looks like we can even set an activity zone, which is a very rare but super helpful function. Going to show you that later. And we have even a colorful night vision and multi-user sharing, so really lot of options. And so I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, how to connect to the app, and then going to show you some real life footage from outside during the day and during the night. And so this is what we get in the packaging. It comes with a decent instructions manual with QR code to the free app explaining how to set it up, how to connect. And here we get this really nice small beautiful camera, very solid construction, comes even with two standard 1/4-inch tripod mounts, has built-in microphone and speaker, so it allows for full two-way communication like a doorbell. Here underneath we have the opening, power is micro USB, but we have this built-in opening in the opening which allows to add a solar panel, really nice. Then we have the opening for the micro SD card, on, off, reset. Then we get this mount. That's a really interesting construction. Very easy to connect. So we can easily use it, for example, inside, just with the normal stand here. But we can also mount it outside on a wall and then have it pointing it down. But of course, if that's not enough, we can use the mount here in the back, especially for wall mount. This is a really nice flexible solution. I like this. You get also screws and hooks for mounting, and it comes with a USB-A to micro USB charging cable. So for example, inside you can leave it connected, then you have always power, or outside use solar panel. There's no micro SD card included in the package, so we can decide whatever we want to buy. I highly recommend to use at least class 10 micro SD card, 32 gigabytes, something like that. And we insert it with the pin to the back, push it fully inside. We can simply scan the QR code to download the app, brings us to the official Play Store. So we download and install it. By the way, this is not just like a no-name brand. We have an official website, support, and so on. It has been super easy to set up the account just with the email. Unfortunately, I have to blur that here a little bit because they are showing my email for some reason. So let's click on Add a Device, give the authorizations, also authorization for the location. Before we put the camera outside, of course, we give it a full charge. Then you turn it on with the power button. We have the red blinking light here. I guess that means it's ready to connect. And so we click here on the battery camera.
Press and hold the device power button to start the device.
Camera is definitely flashing. Click on next.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
I'm using here a toothpick to reset it. We heard the confirmation. I guess that means it's ready to connect. Click on next.
Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password.
It's very important to select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network or a combined 2.4 5G network. Then we provide the password. And by the way, I highly recommend to use not a VPN and to be connected already to the same 2.4G Wi-Fi network with your phone before you start the pairing process. Then we click on next.
Tap next to show a QR code and let your device scan the code.
Now we click on next and hold the phone in front of the camera so it can scan the QR code. Yeah, there was some audible confirmation. I guess it has added the camera. Let's click on next.
Connecting. Please wait.
Okay, and it says successfully added the camera. And so everything is done. So let's check if you have a live view. We definitely have a live view here. You can see. So I'm going to put the camera outside and then let's go from there. And so I've been outside installing the camera and it was super easy. Just use 2 screws, but of course you can also use 4. I've also been adding an all solar panel, normal standard micro USB, and it worked right from the beginning. Very flexible mount, even better actually than I was thinking at the beginning. It has a lot of plastic, which is really good, so it doesn't rust, and it's super flexible, one of the best mounts I've ever seen. And so I'm here on a Windows desktop emulation. You can see I can use the MUBVIEW even from here, so you can share it. You can use the same login on different phones or even Windows PC or iOS or whatsoever. But you can also normally share this camera with other people who have their own apps, so very flexible. So here we have the live view from the night, and so it's delivering very stable, very good quality image. Make sure that you're using highest quality if the Wi-Fi is good, like in this case. So you can make it even larger. You can see how good the picture really is, even in the middle of the night. And on this side there's absolutely no light. There's light from the other side, but from this side there's absolutely no light. Of course this is black and white because of the infrared illumination, but you can see how clear this is. So we have different options directly from here. Can record, can make a picture, can talk, can listen, and we can change the lighting during the night. When I turn off the light, you can see for a little bit how dark it is. I play a little bit around. Now you can see how dark it is. So as soon as the camera realizes that the illumination is needed, it turns on the infrared light, but you can also activate the white light, so it will turn then into color footage. So here we have all the live settings, but we have more. We can even activate an audible warning and strobe light directly from here, but of course I'm not doing that in the middle of the night so close to the neighbors. We can choose the different light settings. So I'm currently on the intelligent vision, but we can also use always color or always black and white. Here we have the album from everything which we have pre-recorded manually, and then we have the history here. That's the history from the microSD card. You can see we have the different alerts from today, and the cool thing is there was only one alert. I've been only once there, and it has only been recording once, so absolutely zero false alerts. So I can even go back, make the image larger so you can see what it has been recording. Also very good quality and really very responsive. But of course we can always go back with the calendar. If the dates are not showing up, just give it some time. So now after some time it's loading, and so we can see all the different alerts from yesterday. Also during the night you can see really nice. Here I've been approaching. You can see it started black and white, turned into colorful footage automatically. And here I've been doing a microphone test. So let's start this.
Microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You can definitely very clearly hear my voice. So here we have all the detection on the microSD card, but of course we have also the cloud, which helps a lot. So we can access the footage much sooner, everything loading much faster, really nice. And so let's go to the settings. You can see Wi-Fi 84%. It's really good because it's far away from the router. Here we can activate to receive alert notifications on your phone or smartwatch or wherever. Then we have the alarm management, and that's really a lot. Can see we can change the sensitivity, and we have even one thing which I've never seen before. That's the automatic sensitivity correction. That's absolutely awesome. And we have even some settings for the video length. So here we have the power saving mode, we have the performance mode, or we even have a custom mode. So we can activate or deactivate human detection for day and night, different sensitivity, different video lengths, alarm intervals. I can't remember that I've ever seen such a huge variety of alarm settings. Then we have another thing which is really rare, that's the alarm area. Can see that here. With most battery operated camera that's not possible, especially not free, but here we have it. Absolutely awesome. So we can mark in yellow the area which we want to observe, and I can delete that at any time. You can see, so I only want to observe this area here, and of course not the tree, which would cause some false alerts, and also not the outside unit of the air conditioning. So I just do everything here and save it. And this can be very helpful to avoid some false alerts. And as you have seen, it really works. Then again, the audio warning strobe light also automatically. Then the image settings. And here we can share the device to any other people with the same app. And the app is free anyway, so absolutely no problem. And then we have many more settings. We have also very detailed battery management. You can see it's fully charged 100% thanks to the solar panel which I've attached. You can see even the statistics, how it has been going up with the charge, and now it's pretty much full. Then we have the recording management on the microSD card. Highly recommended to give a full format before you start using it. So of course, if you want to record on the microSD card, you have to activate the video switch. And then on top of that, we can buy some cloud storage service. We have different options, but what we have, and I highly recommend to activate that, that's the basic cloud storage. That's the thing which I've been showing to you, which gives you a 6 seconds cloud video for every detection. Yeah, here I've even found some sample where the siren was activated. You can see I've been approaching camera, then big time siren and alarm light. So there are so many options, so many possibilities. Absolutely incredible for a battery operated camera. You really have the feeling that it's a wired camera, and connection is also very good. So from my side, definitely full recommendation. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing of this absolutely awesome small camera down into the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.